2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, hands-free communication, climate control, multi-zone. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.